My hair looks so stiff.
Yes! No, not.
Come on.
Really ugly day outside. Really ugly. It's like raining and it's gloomy and it's cold. That's not it. But our errands that we have to do today are to go get a wax with my girl Angela, and then I'm gonna actually go get my eyebrows done. I haven't got my eyebrows done in a very long time. I usually just like touch them up myself, but I think I want to get like just go ahead and go back to threading. I used to do threading a while ago, but I haven't gone just because I haven't really found anyone that can do my brows the way that I want them to be done. So we're gonna go get them threaded today after maybe after I get my nails done, because I think after I get this wax I'm gonna go get my nails done, and then after I get my nails done we'll go get the wax, and then I need to go to Costco to get some groceries for the street. And y'all, don't look at me crazy. Girl, my eyebrows look crazy right now. Alright, so I just finished leaving Walmart to get the rest of the stuff for the food and drinks and stuff like that for the trip, and now I'm headed home. So I am almost about 30 minutes behind schedule, which I'm actually not disappointed in. Everyone's waiting at my place so we can all drive and follow each other. I still have to pack my suitcase, but for the most part I know where everything is that I'm bringing, so it should be fairly easy to do. And then we're all gonna follow each other and head that way. My goal was to leave at like 3 o'clock. That's based off of what my itinerary was, but it didn't happen that way, so that's okay. And the food cost a little bit more than I wanted it to also, but that's okay.
Technically, we're not on the way.
So y'all making me camera shy, can you not?
Oh my god, here you go. You can only do it when no one around.
That's right, because then I can like say the crazy
Girl, you
stuff.
gotta be.
I know. You're right. Okay. All right, y'all. What's good?
Yeah.
We about to head out. We about to leave the apartment, you know, and we're about to go get some alcohol.
Yeah.
And we are fully packed to the brim of the car. What? That was a blooper.
Hey, friends.
Hey, friends. Say hey, Naj.
Hey, friends.
Say hey, Kim. Okay. We're having a good time, y'all. We about to go get some 1942 and some. What else we gonna get, babe?
And some Crown.
And some Crown. I really wanted to bring some wine glasses, so I hope that they have some wine glasses at the cabin, because they said that they had everything that we would need. So if so, we'll be all set. And guess who else is coming? Cinnamon. Cinnamon's coming. First of all, okay, so we're
whispering.
It is so dark, and this scares me so much because these are the most winding roads.
What? About to pop out.
my baby food. Come on, DJ Tiff. Come on, DJ Tiff on the mic. Where's she at? DJ Tiff.
Listen. Let it out. Listen. Let it out. Y'all ready?
Yay! Money enough.
To a beautiful weekend. Happy birthday to Venus and Tiffany. Enjoying you guys' birthday.
Make sure it's safe.
Hey, for the rest of us, let's turn up. Let's enjoy it. Let's have a great weekend.
Yes, sir.
No negativity, all positive.
No what?
Yes, sir.
Negativity.
Oh, okay.
All positive.
Yes, sir.
You heard me.
I heard you, baby.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Say hey, y'all. We headed to go skiing. It's so foggy out here. There's my girl. This is so trash. I'm setting myself up for failure. My little glass is so foggy. Look.
Get those.
They foggy. Say hey, baby.
We're good. We're good. Now. Let's get it. Hey, I want to play. Huh? Oh, now I want to.
But we're going to the lift.
Yeah.
But it's like a beginner school.
So we are about to get ski lessons. I went skiing before, but I didn't like it, and I think that was probably due to the fact that I didn't really know what to do. So we're gonna get some ski lessons.
It's gonna be fun.
And everybody's over there getting ready to get on the little lift. It's a little mini lift over here. And Cam went to go get it's not focusing. Cam went to go get us our little ski poles. That works great. It's so hot in this stuff. Oh my god. Woo. I'm burning up. Ooh. My hair looks so stiff. We'll have fun tonight too.
Drink some wine, get in the jacuzzi.
The 1942 that we gotta open up that we never touched.
Yes.
Yo, these little kids out here killing this ski game. Putting me to shame. My grown behind. They've been skiing since they was 2. Just getting off the lift, I fell and bust my face. Getting off the lift is challenging. Say hi, Kim. Say hi, Naj.
Hey, Kim. Hey, can me and Kim get a do a picture?
Yeah, sure. Say hey, Tim.
Hey, boy, pick.
All right. We up here. Say
We made
hey,
it.
baby.
What
Yo,
up?
we are so high up and there is no seat belts holding us down. Oh my God. This is so
Lean back,
nerve-wracking.
make sure you lean back.
I'm leaning
You
back.
good.
Whew.
It's not that bad.
It is. I'm scared. Look at all of this.
I don't want to.
It's so cool. Woo! Go, Cam! Come on, Tiff. You okay, Cam? Uh-oh, go, Tiff. We about to go down the slopes. My light is dark. It is dark. Let's brighten her up. There it is. We about to go down the slopes again. Where Cam? Cam, we coming. All right. I want to record while I do it, but I just know it ain't happening. Say hi. How was our first ski trip?
First ski trip.
That's cute.
Ooh,
That's
ski
so
trip. Ski trip.
Yes.
In the books.
In the book.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. I do recommend, but just know you might, hurt yourself.
Might die a little bit. So we just finished skiing and I am so tired, but it was so much fun. How was it, baby?
It was good. Much better. Third time was much better.
Much better?
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, that was
So much better than last
so
time.
much better on that. Like I feel like I
Now
felt
we're
good.
about to return
Yeah.
our ski equipment and get back on the road. We have a 2-hour drive back to our cabin.
Hey, we need to take a group picture, y'all.
Yes, we do.
Oh.
I'm about to get ready. This is this outfit from Meshki that I'm about to put on. I just want to get some cute little pictures because, you know, being in Texas, I don't really get to take no cute pictures and it's overdue. All right, so this is the outfit that I'm gonna be taking my pictures in. Real cute, real cozy. I love me a good brown like legging set, two-piece, afterwear set, whatever you want to call it. I love a two-piece, and since I'm really into like browns and nudes, and I have these boots that I got from Zara, I am particularly interested in wearing the boots. So I'm gonna get ready and I'll be back. All right, so it is super cold outside right now and I'm about to go take some pictures because your girl laid this wig and I haven't taken some photos in a while, so I really wanted to get like this like cabin chill vibe. Have these like cute little boots on that I got from Zara, and I just really want to take a cute little cozy picture. And I got my baby Cinnamon out here with me. She's looking. Hi, say hi, mommy. This is the view right now. Look at how beautiful that is. So I really just want to take a cute little picture out by either by the water or with the water in the background, or even like up here on the patio of the cabin, because it's like cute and cozy.
There's the birthday girl.
Everybody taking 5 shots.
5 shots right now.
5 right off the top, everybody. So pick one that you like. It doesn't matter. You started before you were supposed to, so now you gotta have the consequences. So 5 shots. Okay, I don't see the drink of my choice. Be back.
What kind of top are you wearing? Is it brown? Okay. Maybe matching that. sense. I ain't gonna say that.
Black and brown. I was like, okay.
Okay, tip coming. Let's go, guys and girls. Let's go, guys.
Can you bring the Ciroc, please?
Can we get the Ciroc to the front desk? Ciroc to the front desk, ladies and gentlemen.
Cam,
Ladies and gentlemen.
you're wearing black?
Man, yeah, I mean, I thought that was black when I saw you earlier.
Oh no, where?
So I was like, yeah, I don't know. I thought that was black, but I had brown though. Remember the brown Nike size?
You wear brown.
Ladies and gentlemen, men and females,
Makeup got in it. I don't know how to get it out.
Always all gather around the table.
Thank you.
It feel like, goddamn, it feel like, hold on, my butt.
Thanks, sis.
Hey, you know you were real, you know.
All right. Let's talk and more moving.
Yeah. I hate cleaning dishes, you know what I'm saying?
All right.
It took like 12 hours to clean the dishes.
Come on, let's get it.
Everybody need a dishwasher. It's 2021. Hey, drive the boat, Miss Five Shot. Drive the boat. Drive the boat. You two.
Pour it. You gotta pour it.
We ain't got one night.
I'm not drinking out the bottle.
You drinking out the bottle.
I am not drinking out the bottle. I don't want to drive the boat.
She got it.
I don't want to drive the boat.
Come on. Drive the boat. Let's go. Let's tap it like this. Yeah. Woo!
No, B, put your hand down.
3, 2, 1.
Right, that ain't 5 shots. It's not.
That was 2.
Oh, Tiffany!
Yep.
Yo,
Drop the boat, Tiff.
Can we please address the...
Gentlemen, and ladies, please.
What you doing back there?
You know what I'm doing. I'm hanging out.
I know that you've had it before, but you haven't had it since
no.
you've been. One thing
You
for
see
sure,
it.
2 things for certain. You haven't had it.
Najwa, can you just pour the drink?
Love is good, but good ain't love. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, that was the...
Love don't love you like I love you, because when I love you, I love you.
Thank you.
I love you, mommy. I love you.
Is it in my hair?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, can you record it so we sing happy birthday?
Yeah. Oh, they got y'all real good.
Y'all see the cake? It's for both of y'all, you know what I'm saying? It melted.
It's okay.
But you know we had a drive.
They're good.
Happy birthday to y'all. You happy birthday. Yes.
Oh no, wait till...
Happy birthday, dear Tiffany and Venus. Happy birthday to you.
I'm sorry, Nelson, but it's ice cream cake. But you know what? I had to go.
Ready?
You know what I'm saying? You know how that shit.
What does it say? Can somebody read it?
I'll read it since
Yeah,
I read it.
yeah.
Pretty basic. I said, this cabin will forever be a great and beautiful memory. Every room, view, and people here were great. We don't want to leave. May the fabulous memories reign on.
Oh, that was so nice. What a poetic way to end that. I don't think anyone could have written it better, Paige. You ready to go? Oh yeah, y'all, we gotta make sure.